beauties. I wanted to hop on really quickly today and share a makeup tip for hooded eye beauties. Now, I have super hooded eyes, and the tip that I'm going to share today is how to apply lashes to hooded eyes. Now, putting lashes on had been the struggle of a lifetime for me for so long because I think when you have hooded eyes, what happens is that the hooding will sit into the lash glue or it will make your eyes very oily, and so the lashes are constantly kind of flipping, lifting up, and so it can be a struggle when you have hooded eyes, not just to apply eyeshadow but also to apply lashes. But this tip might help you as well if you just in general have issues with your lashes lifting and coming off and things like that. I think you will absolutely love this makeup tip. It has been a complete game changer for myself, so I can't wait to share it with you. So let's just dive right in. Now, the first thing that I'm gonna kind of show you, I got this really cute case for your lashes, and I've had these lashes for so long now. I think it could be a few weeks, which is a long time for me, but this lash case really makes a huge difference. So I'll link it. You can get these. I got this at Sally Beauty, but you can get them on Amazon. So now I've had these again for so long now. I think when you have hooded eyes, this type of lash shape is just really great. It's the kind that's tapered from short into long. So for my eyes being so hooded, this is a great shape. These are also very lightweight. And sometimes when you get the heavier ones, it will kind of pull your eye down. When you have hooding, it just will not sit right. So if you want to try out a pair of this shape right here, I think you will love this. Now, these are from Tati Lashes, but you can get these lashes anywhere. I did already trim off from the end about 2 clusters for my eye shape, so do what works for you, but you're probably going to have to cut a few of the end clusters off, and then you'll have them. Though, if you get a case like that, you don't have to keep cutting them. These could last you, who knows, up to a month, so as long as you keep them in the case. Now, the first step into making these lashes totally budge proof for you, though, is to go ahead and take a clear lash glue. I like clear lash glue because when you have hooding, and I'm just going to take the applicator wand like so and just brush it onto the lash band. But what I was saying is when you have hooded eyes, sometimes the hooding just will fit right into the glue. And if you use the black lash glue, it might transfer into your hooding. So that's why I personally do not use black lash glue, especially with hooded eyes. But I know a lot of you dolls love the black lash glue, but I personally would not. I don't use it. So now I'm going to set this down and I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. And so I'm just letting it rest in the case so it can dry, because you want to put the lash glue on and then you want to wait just a few minutes for it to get kind of tacky. But there is another super special tip that I'm going to show you that we're going to do in the meantime while these are kind of drying. So again, I'm just brushing the lash glue on, and I love to use the brush. I don't know how other people use the tube, the squeeze tube. I feel like that gets very messy, but the brush for me is a dream. You just go ahead and brush it on. Now, again, I'm going to go ahead and rest that down. Now, what you do next is you take a lash glue pen. Now, this one I got on TikTok, but you can get any lash glue pen, I'm pretty sure. I've used also the NYX one, which is amazing. So that also works very well. And the lash glue pen is usually black. So for some reason, though, this does not affect the transferring into the hooding. So I'm going to go ahead now, and now this is an eyeliner, a liquid liner, but it has lash glue in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and gently run this along my upper lash line and even extend it a little bit out so that way we can lift the lashes up a little bit. And there you go. Now the thing about this though is that especially the ones that I've tried, they dry very fast as compared to the lash glue. So that's why it probably won't transfer into the hooding, because they're kind of dry in formulation. So now here are our lashes that we put the lash glue on. And now I'm just going to fasten it right on to where we put the lash glue. And there you go, guys. These lashes are not going to budge. They will stay on day to night. They're not going to lift. They're going to stay perfect for you. I'm just going to let that sit for a moment. Then I am going to press them together, but just going to let it sit like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the eyelash glue pen, and I'm just going to line this eye now. And you actually do kind of use it like eyeliner, so even go up and then drag it inwards if you want. But you don't have to do that. So you could just line your upper lash area. And then here we are. I'm going to go ahead and take our lashes now and go ahead and just pop it right again, right where we put where we just put the liquid eyeliner glue, eyelash glue. And there you go, guys. Look at that. It just almost magnetizes. It's like it attaches immediately. And so you don't have to fuss with them. You don't have to maneuver them around. They're done. You're good to go. And now just take your lash tweezers type of product like this, and you just want to go ahead and just go in on an angle and just press the lashes, the faux and the real lashes together. And I'm telling you guys, you're not going to believe it. You're going to be like, Allegra, this is a game changer. So here we'll do this one. Now this one is still a little tacky, so you might want to wait just a moment. Give it a moment for them to adhere together so they won't get stuck to your applicator. So I'll just let this one sit a little bit more. And I didn't mention this, I just remembered this right now, but also it is very helpful, I think, to put mascara on before your faux lashes, because I just think it gives it something extra to adhere to, and helps because if your lashes are oily, then the mascara is going to help take away the oiliness, so they'll stay better, I think. Because I did put on mascara before I put on the lashes, and I've been doing that, and I think it does make a huge difference. But let me go ahead and put on some of this Huda lip gloss. This is amazing lip gloss, the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Gloss. Love this. Okay, let's go ahead and press again these lashes together. Also, it is helpful to, if you don't put eyeshadow on, to put maybe a little translucent setting powder on your eye area before you put on the lashes, because if you have hooded eyes, a lot of times they're just kind of oily, and that will help keep the oiliness at bay, so everything will stay better. But I do usually put on some kind of bronzer or eyeshadow before I put on my lashes. So there you go, guys. I think this, I don't even have to play with it. Sometimes I just press it a little bit, but you don't have to do too much, because it will, the products work so well that you don't even have to do too much. And I'm just gonna take a little eyeliner here, this is just a Rare Beauty eyeliner, and just bring everything together here. So I'm just taking it like that into that V shape area, just to, you don't have to do this part, but if you want, just to kind of melt everything together. So beauties, this is the finished look. These lashes are totally budge proof now, and I actually have worn these in 100-degree weather. I've worn this to Disney World day to night. They never come off. I've been doing this for at least a year now, and my lashes are just always staying perfect. So I have total confidence to share this tip with you today. I think you will love it. Let me know down below if you do try it and how it works out for you, and let me know any of your makeup hack tips and tricks down below so I could share them in a future video. So thank you, biddies, so much for coming and spending time with me today. I hope you dolls are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.